We're spring cleaning your wellness here at the Doctors. We've done your diet and beauty. Now we're hitting your home. Check this out on TikTok. This is a trending video. You've got to see this. Get this. These are dryer vents.
Oh my gosh.
Can you believe that?
Oh my gosh. Now I'm beginning to wonder what my dryer vents look like. Those things are enormous.
You know that stuff that we remove when we pull the lint catcher, but I mean, this is all this stuff that's built up. You can imagine the hair, the lint, the whatever are in there.
I can only imagine. I have 2 dogs, so I'm just thinking what's in our dryer vents.
Well, Dr. B, I think we're going to definitely have to add vents to our spring cleaning. So how do we clean up our vents and filters and improve overall air quality in our homes? We're talking about all year long. So to answer that question is home improvement and lifestyle expert Kathryn Emery. Hi there, Kathryn.
Hello, I'm
Hi, Kathryn.
here. And now that we have your attention with those videos.
You have our attention, crystal clear. So
Absolutely.
is this level of spring cleaning something just for professionals?
So, there are professional cleaners are fantastic. If you live in a house with pets and haven't cleaned your air ducts for a while, then you should definitely call the professionals to help you. However, I have some awesome can-do ways that you can easily do it yourself. So let's start first with our HVAC, because you need to change that air filter because you want cleaner, fresher air throughout the home. So once you change that HVAC filter, it allows your system to process. Think about all that dust you saw, pollen, dander, particles. So, and it's awesome for everybody, but it's really great for kids, for elderly, for those with allergies. Now, Dr. Batra, you mentioned pets, right? I'm trying to get my cat to be an extra on the set with me. He's not agreeing. But for people with pets, you need to change the filter more often. But the average recommended is every 3 months. So think about it. When the seasons change that filter.
That's such good advice, Kathryn. Walk us through it. Show our viewers and me how to do this.
Okay, so you're going to go out to your HVAC unit, right? So voila, we're right here. You'll see a panel at the bottom. You'll remove that panel, and then you'll take out your existing filter and replace it. So I want to show you a bad example. So the left, see how gray that is and dark? That's my old one. So guilty, maybe haven't changed it in the 3 months. You really want it to look white like this because you want all those particles and dust and everything to flow through that. So you're going to need to know what size when you go. So that taking the filter out, you'll know what size. And keep in mind when you're in the store, there will be different pricing. And the reason for that is it's how well it processes the air through it. So just keep that in mind. And I have a benefit. It's going to clean up your energy bills too. We just want to save a little bit of money, right? So you're running less energy with that clean air filter.
Listen, if you can do it in your dress, I can do it in my suit, I guess. I mean, the last time I had the rep came out, I was switching seasons from AC to heating, and he swapped out the filter, and I felt like a complete fool calling somebody to come out to do that after seeing him do it. I mean, it's so easy. We all can do it.
You can do it. I believe in you.
What other vent should we clean?
So they say a picture's worth 1,000 words. I have no words for the TikTok video. I'm sure you guys are feeling me there. So we all know how important it is to clean that lint vent in our dryer. We should do that every single time. So in addition to that, you want to think about some regular maintenance where you're cleaning behind the dryer because that's where all the vent accumulates. And then you're going to want to go outside because you know that silver hose, you're going to want to clean out that silver hose and clean out that vent. The proper way to do it is to get a vent brush. So they have these awesome ones that you can attach to your grill here, as you can see here, and you just get in there, or you can remove this silver hose and then just get in there with a shop vac. So I recommend about once a year, but I just did it this weekend, and I didn't have all that gunk, so it just goes to show it's an important thing to think about.
So those videos we saw on TikTok were people cleaning out this outer vent, correct?
Outer vent, exactly. And that's where this will come in handy, Dr. Batra. And I recommend pairing it with a shop vac when you clean it, unless you like that aha moment where all the dust is flying at you. I mean, I would recommend even putting on a mask. We have a surplus of them sitting around when you do it. That's exactly what you saw right there.
Well, Kathryn, thank you so much for your great tips for the spring cleaning wellness tips. For more tips, check out our website, thedoctorstv.com. And later in the show,